You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of the saint. This is the name, of course, of an actual Christian saint, but also an island and many places around the world, including in the Napa Valley, California. There are different ways of pronouncing it. The British English pronunciation is generally as St Helena. In the US, it's more commonly pronounced as St Helena. How do you pronounce it yourself? Where are you from? In which context? Let us know in the comments so we can learn from you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.